here representing JiasWorld, and I am doing another unboxing. First, I would like to say rest in peace, Charles Green. If you don't know who Charles Green is or was, Charles Green was aka Angry Grandpa. Angry Grandpa passed away December 10th, 2017. I am sending my love, positive energy, and positive thoughts to Charles Green and his family and his subscribers and fans. And this is what this unboxing is. So let's get into it. Angry Grandpa. This is a t-shirt that I ordered from the Angry Grandpa show, and kid behind the camera, his son, Pickle Boy, Michael Green. And it has the President Barack Obama style picture of Angry Grandpa on it. It is black, and this is a medium-sized t-shirt. Rest in peace, Angry Grandpa. And that's the shirt, and here's the back of it. And like I said, this is a medium size. Rest in peace, Angry Grandpa.